To remove the front wheel from the Mustang, we have to make sure that the rear motors are engaged, so the rear wheels are locked, and then we lift up the front end as shown. So we remove the wheel, firstly the 6mm Allen key on the boss side and then a 22mm spanner on the inside of the wheel, and then undo these two to remove the wheel from the caster fork. Now that we've removed the wheel, we can now take the split rim apart to enable us to replace the tyre. Undo all of the 5 fixings that you see at the back of the wheel. With the fixings removed, the rim can now be separated. Now we can refit the new tyre onto the rim. Line up all of the fixing holes as you push the second part of the rim in. Now replace all of the fixings that you previously removed. Retighten all the fixings as before. Having replaced the tyre, we can now put the wheel back onto the caster fork. Retighten using the 6mm Allen key and the 22mm spanner that we used just now. Job now complete.